Now the next thing for me is to go ahead and try to see if I can have the design look a little bit like my final design here. So I can see that I have a side that is centered, and I know that my new SharePoint side is not centered. It's everything aligned to the left here. So I need to go ahead and center this part here. So I'm going to look for something that actually covers that bit up there. So I can see there's a this class down here, the ribbon thing here. So let me just try to see if I can manipulate that a little bit. I do a loose guess here for that the width should be something like, let's say, 960 pixels. Let me just spell that correctly, and then we see that our toolbar of ribbon up here got narrowed a little bit. I want to center that, so I'm going to go for the margin, auto, and let me spell that right, 2. So I got that bit centered. So it's basically for me to go see that this works in the browser. Let's go back to the SharePoint Designer. Let's go back to the style sheet. I'm going to just kill this one off. So this is probably what I'm looking for. I'm going to set the width to 960 pixels. I'm going to set the margin to auto. I'm actually going to set the top to 0 pixels, and this is the margin to the right. We can see that if we go like this, we have margin top and margin right. Let's just close that off and save that and go back to the browser, refresh. So when I refresh the browser, I can see that the whole thing has been centered down here, and it looks a little bit more like what I'm looking for. And I'm going to try to manipulate the whole side here and keep as many standard out of the box elements as possible, and just go ahead and style a little bit on my style sheet here. But I might need to go ahead and add additional components to the master page, of course. When I do that, I'm going to reference those with a custom style. For instance, in this case, I will go for like instead of MS, I will go like say SPGuy hyphen and custom ribbon or something like that. If I had another ribbon down here that I would like totally control of. And with a little bit of luck and a couple of hours, I should be able to have a site that looks something like this.